Hello everyone, I hope you're all doing well. Today in this new video, we are going to learn how to install Roblox once again. In the last video, I showed you how to install it natively on Linux, but this time we are moving to a brand new system, specifically using the Google Play Store via Waydroid on our Linux PC. If you don't know how to set up and run Android on your Linux system yet, don't worry, I'll link the full tutorial for you very soon. To get started, it's super simple, just like on your phone. We open the Play Store, we type Roblox in the search bar, and we click Install. Nothing more complicated. And by the way, a massive thank you to everyone who follows the channel, subscribed, and a warm welcome to all the new subscribers. Please make sure to hit that subscribe button because thanks to you, I can keep sharing more info, tutorials, and tips on how to use your system. And trust me, Linux is truly a wow kind of world. I also want to give a huge shout out to the open source developers behind the Linux community. What they do is incredible, giving us the opportunity to use Linux from entirely different angles, and I appreciate it so much. By the way, for those who struggle on their mobile devices or don't even have one handy, I highly recommend running your mobile environment directly from your Linux system. The next video covering this installation will be out very soon, so don't forget to comment by typing Waydroid, and I'll share the full tutorial with you. Once it's launched, I'll show you the app. It will ask for a standard sign-in, just like it happens on a regular Android device or system. It's all the same. I'll enter my account, I'll type in my password. It's a bit long, so please bear with me. Once that's done, we just click Sign In. Just like usual, Google always asks if you want to save your info. I'm doing this for the test. And there you go, your entire system and app are fully installed. I'll show you right now. A huge thank you to everyone who followed along. We'll see each other in the next video. Until then, take care. Ciao, ciao.